Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. Continuing with lipid series on my channel Foodscito, today I am going to discuss about two very important concepts, that is what are essential fatty acids and what are trans fatty acids. Let's begin. Essential fatty acids. Some of the polyunsaturated fatty acids such as linoleic or linolenic, these are not synthesized by higher animals and men. So these have to be supplied through diet as they are very important for health and well-being of human beings. Thus, they are known as essential fatty acids. And two fatty acids which are essential to human health are, as you can see, I have mentioned here omega-6 and omega-3. Let's discuss in brief about these two fatty acids. The first one, that is omega-6 fatty acid, is linoleic acid, which is abundantly found in safflower, sunflower or corn oils. The second one, that is omega-3 fatty acid, it is alpha-linolenic acid, which is found abundantly in olive, flax seeds, hemp seeds, walnut, soybean, etc. Now let's talk about trans fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids including MOFA and PUFA, these are usually liquid at room temperature, but they can be converted into semi-solid or solid form by the process known as hydrogenation. As the name suggests that we are dealing here with hydrogen. So this is addition of hydrogen to unsaturated fatty acids at high temperature in the presence of catalysts such as nickel to convert them into saturated fatty acids. In the process of partial hydrogenation, the chemical structure of natural fatty acids, that is their cis configuration, is converted into unnatural trans configuration. Now, what is the need of this cis to trans configuration? If you think of processing point of view, these trans fatty acids, they do not get spoiled easily, and also they withstand repeated heating process. So these are attractive characteristics for those involved in food processing, especially the ones which are involved in bakery or snack food, because there we require stability at high temperature. We don't want our oils to get spoiled easily during repeated heating. But a strong coordination has been found between composition of trans fatty acids and heart diseases. That's why these days on most of the products, on their labels, we find that it contains no trans fat. So this is the significance. That was all about essential fatty acids and trans fatty acids. Stay tuned with Foodscito for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for listening.